Good afternoon, respected teachers, classmates, and my dear friends. Today I am here to say about National Handloom Day. National Handloom Day in India is celebrated every year on August 7. The Honorable Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced August 7 as National Handloom Day in 2015. It aims to recognize and appreciate the Indian textile industry's participation and involvement in ensuring the country's socio-economic growth. National Handloom Day is celebrated to commemorate strong connection between National Handloom Day and Swadeshi movement. This year, it will be the 8th commemoration of National Handloom Day. Now, we are going to display some handlooms from different states of India. Kerala, Kasab. Kasab is a technique used in handlooms of Kerala with very fine threads of gold used in weave to make border lines and designed on cotton fabric. Next, Karnataka, Mysore silk. Mysore silk is extremely soft and is made from pure silk. The rich silk material from Mysore is famous for their quality and artistry. Next, Rajasthan, Shisha. Shisha or mirror work is a type of embroidery which attaches small piece of mirrors or reflective metal to fabric. Next, Himachal Pradesh, Kullu shawls. Kullu shawls are known for their plain body, in basic ways bordered with bold, colorful patterns. Kullu weavers also make a thick, natural colored woolen fabric called pat. Next, Andhra Pradesh, Kalamkari. Kalamkari is a type of hand-painted or block-printed cotton textile produced in Andhra Pradesh. Next, Telangana, Pochampalli Ikat. Pochampalli Ikat is well-known form of sari made in wooden Pochampalli and thus are popular for their traditional geometric patterns with the Ikat style of dyeing. Uttar Pradesh, Chikankari. Chikankari is a very delicate and intricate shadow work type of embroidery from Uttar Pradesh. The design and motifs in Chikankari are varied and mainly derived from nature. On this National Handloom Day, let us pledge to preserve India's handloom tradition and to provide more prospect for the people associated with the handloom industry. Handlooms for sustainable fashion. Thank you.